Samsung's One UI 7.0 is arriving soon, bringing exciting upgrades to the Smart Select feature. Currently, Smart Select allows users to capture text, images, and create GIS, but with One UI 7.0, it will become even smarter with automatic suggestions for selecting screen areas. This will save time by letting you instantly select text or images without manually tracing edges. Smart Select will also feature a dynamic menu that adapts based on your selection. For text, options like copy, share, and translate will appear, while images will offer save, share, and GIF creation. Future updates may include selecting multiple items and recognizing objects within images. The One UI 7.0 beta, based on Android 15, is expected to launch in October, starting with the Galaxy S24 series. Other models, including the S23 Z Fold and a series, are expected to follow. The stable version could arrive by December, though some devices may not receive it until 2025. Stay tuned for more updates on Samsung's One UI 7.0.